In here. And with my blog, it's kind of around the house, but it's also basically an animal video. So this is my project today. You've seen these cribs that you get at Walmart or JCPenney's or whatever. Well, the daughter no longer needs it. She was getting ready to throw it out. And the wife said, well, hey, why don't we want to make that into a dog bed? So here we are. I've just been tinkering today. And I decided, well, I'll go put this thing together. You got two Allen type screws, or total 4, holding the this together here. So all you need is an Allen wrench. Usually comes with it. And I can't see it. Not telling me what size it is. Probably a 30 seconds or something. But pull those. Those are what hang on to your spring section. And we've got a couple of long screws that go through the thing that hold the wall on here. Goes another one. Let's go through the top. I think I'll do that one first. I got one that's stuck in the bottom down there. I'll slide it on there. Okay. Holding that together. Good. Hold those for a minute. I'll grab the screws. Oh, great. Looks like it's missing it. Did it fall out? It must have fallen out. Oh, terrific. Yeah. The little son of a gun. There's one that's still in it. That's missing. They must have popped out and they didn't know it. Oh, terrific. Oh, shoot. No, what I'm looking at is they're missing their little internal nuts. They must have fallen out somewhere. That's missing. They're all missing except this one here. Ain't that something? Son of a gun. Didn't even notice it. Oh, wow. Well, that puts a damper on that for the moment, doesn't it? Oh, stay tuned. Back. Now I found some nuts that'll work just perfectly. The thing is, I gotta get them in the hole here. So what I did is I used a hammer, a screwdriver, and I popped it in there. I just got to get it lined so the screw's going to go in and pull it tight. Not going to find where the heck we would ever find the probably have to call the manufacturer. Line that up. Gotta line it up now, because that's gonna. Come on, get in. It's in there. I just popped it with the hammer. Now, just a matter of getting it lined up with the nut. Come on. Just gotta get it. It's gotta be flush in there. Or at least I know it's not gonna pull. Not gonna pull out. There you go. Sweet. There's one. Get that right. All right. Okay, one. I'll pop the other one in there. It's gonna be two. Put it right here. Let's go. Bam. Bam. Okay. Like it. Just a minute. The bolt's gonna like it. There you go. There's two. Okay, sweet. Secure that. Alright. Over there. Okay. Okay. I guess if you got a crib and you lose the things in moving. There you go. Screwdriver. Yeah. Top one. I want to start putting it. I just play the screwdriver and get it adjusted in there. Taking this all the way in. Mary getting it lined up in there. Come on. I feel it. It's going. There we go. Alright. Like it. Hey, one more. You went all the way in. All the way down. Hey, first time. Alright. Let's hear that. I got this one here that's stuck. I don't want to come out. Rotate. It rotates. I don't think it's backing out. Don't know why. It's a bad idea because you don't mess up those initial threads.